The upsweep was recorded on NOAA's Equatorial Autonomous Hydrophone network. This sound was present when the Pacific Ocean Environmental Protection Laboratory began recording SOSUS in August 1991. Upsweep sound consists of long, narrowband, upward sounds that last for several seconds. The source level is high enough to be recorded across the entire Pacific Ocean. Although it usually peaks in spring and fall, it is unclear whether this is due to source changes or seasonal changes in the propagation environment. The source can be found roughly near 54 degrees south, 140 degrees east, where the suspected volcanic seismicity is located, but the origin of the sound remains unresolved. The overall source level of the upsweep sound has been declining since 1991, but sounds can still be detected on NOAA's Equatorial Autonomous Hydrophone networks.